Rising Man to everybody. Hope everyone's having a blessed day out there today. So today we got more good news for you guys. So right now, what we will be doing today is shaving down the OEM.
What I meant to say was shaving down the body so I can install the emblems.
So we can finally install the custom emblems on the Flash 2.0. So I record myself shaving it and doing all the process so you guys can see. Then from there, I'll show you guys how I install the emblem onto the car. You know, easily. Just need that 3M, which is already there. Shout outs to Molly D for that. And yeah, I got some more shout outs too. So I just want to shout out my brother, the other Flash from Earth 1. He always sounds from Earth 2. He is the older dog, so it's only right. So Flash from Earth 1. Man, my brother doing the thing out there in Michigan. He got 2 Z's. He got a big Z and a little Z. Started off with the 370, you know, and hard work pays off. He ended up upgrading to the big Z, which is Godzilla, that is, so you guys don't know, the GTR. So, like I said, shout out to the bro, Flash McNasty. It'll be down below. LA area, Damon VQ35, and he also just recently got his V35 wrapped as well. If you guys don't know, his info will also be right here. So you guys make sure you go show support to the little bro page. And of course, I just want to give all the car enthusiasts out there yes, all car enthusiasts out there, I want to give you guys a shout out, man. Shout out to all the hard working car enthusiasts out there who's been like working on their cars, you know, helping people, going out their way, showing people how to do this and do that, just uploading content to, you know, show people. Because with these Z's, man, there's a lot of shit that aren't uploaded on the YouTube. So with that said, I'm gonna try my best to try to like upload some content that I know a lot of Z owners will be looking for, you know, like wrapping doorknobs. Someone just reached out to me the other day about the doorknobs. How did I wrap the doorknobs? Because people just paint the doorknobs in the Z's and shit like that, or don't do anything with them. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm trying to get more information about that out, like with the dash cam as well. Dash cam is working fine, everything. So yeah, you guys just stay tuned. Make sure you do a couple things: like, subscribe, leave that comment down below, and also share this video, man. I'm trying to get the thing right. Let's run it up, man. Spread love and hatred. This 2021, y'all. I also want to give a special shout out to my brother DS. If it wasn't for him, I wouldn't be able to do what I'm about to do right now, which is show you guys how to install this custom emblem by simply just have to use his tool. Brother let me borrow his tool for a couple of modifications that I had in the past, and he's still rocking with me and still fucking with me to this day and still letting me use this tool. Appreciate you, my brother. You guys make sure you go follow him. It'll be down below. He also do custom decals, all that printing stuff. So you guys stay tuned and go show the bro some support and love. So this is the tool we will be using today. It's called a Dremel. I will be using this bad boy right here. Not too much crazy, so all we're doing is just shaving these bad boys down so the emblems can get placed on that. So I'll record this while I do this so you guys can see for yourselves.
Simon says, move quick. If you don't get boom quick.
Split top, mata, dance on them, cha-cha.
Hit a nigga like pinata. Spit his whole mata. Make him do the cha-cha. Bad little bitch call me Papa.
So, I did the first part. It's smooth as fuck, as you guys can see. So I'm gonna go ahead and wipe that down. Oh, it's this. That's it. That's it. Oh, and you guys will see. As soon as I finish all this, I'll do a little clip. You guys see it.
Ooh, they got a mop it.
Bullets, clean them, stop them. I be with kings, mobbing. With the bed at your mans, I run with the cans. It's open with your sidekick, robbing.
All black when we mobbing. Stump a nigga like a mosh pit. Beef with them till they quits. Me and my nigga, we all shits. Lights out, all switch. Nigga see us, run quick. Bullets hit them, front flips. Leave them on ice like on this. Leaving kids up in orphans.
Nice. So I'm about to go ahead and do the front. So I'll bring you guys up there with me as well. So we right here in the front now. We gonna go ahead and
rocking out in Suburbans, bad bitch, urban. No, I'm not a killer, but do not push me. I smoke a nigga like indigo. Pass it back to my mans, he run down the middle. I spin off the side like a pick and roll. Yeah, I'm a youngin' but litty though. Let me get you in check like a physical. Fuck with me in the gang, then I go insane. Two sticks at the top, now you piccolo.
Hit him up like pop. Left him swerving, and Jay's round my way. Iceman call me Gervin. Run for the cheese. I'm fast, Ben Gordon. Put the green on your head. Now you looking like you Piccolo. My mans ran around and hit him though. Like a pick and roll. Kicking shit just like Tekken. Keep a stick, lethal weapon. Play it on cross into heaven. Keep side by side like 11. I could cook them like chef. With this hollow, leave them sleepy. Leave them 6 feet underneath me. When I slide, yeah,
Can you see me? Yes, sir. So, hey, I just basically showed you guys what to do if you ever want some custom emblems, man, for your Z's. Hey, I hope you guys appreciate it. Me showing you guys how to do something very easy, nothing hard at all. At the end of the day, you just need the time, the place, and the tools. Shout outs to my boy Diaz again for letting me hold your tools, my brother. Shout outs to you. Thank you. His link will be down below again. And yeah, you already know. You guys do a couple things out there. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment. Also, hey guys, so just pulled up to the car wash. I see a Z over there, another Z owner. So let's go see who it is. Give him a special shout out, and that's how we do it in 2021, y'all. I love the support. I love all the Z owners out there, even the ones I never met before. I just love it, man. I see another Z owner with their car. I'll be wanting to go over there and like, hey, what's up, man? Like, how's your build coming along? What's the whole point behind your build? Like, you know? And yeah, you guys will see it. You guys stay tuned. You guys gonna go check out the other Z with me. Hey, bro.
I love your Z, man.
Fuck yeah. I'm Devontae, by the way. You call me The Flash. Oh, I heard about you. Yeah? My girlfriend wants to make a comment. Oh, she's dope as fuck, bro. And we love your girlfriend. Oh, yeah. I love your Z, bro. What's your IG? You guys see it right there. This is it. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm a youngin' but litty though. Let me get you in check like a physical. Fuck with me in the gang, then I go insane. Two sticks at the top, now you piccolo.
Hit him up like pop. Left him swerving, and Jay's round my way. Iceman call me Gervin. Run for the cheese. I'm fast, Ben Gordon. Put the green on your head. Now you looking like you Piccolo. My mans ran around and hit him though. Like a pick and roll. Kicking shit just like Tekken.
So right now, we're here at the car wash. I had to come watch the baby for once. Met a dope other Z owner. We gotta get to it, guys.
I put rinse real quick.
Nigga like pinata, spit his whole mata, make him do the cha-cha. Bad little bitch call me Papa.
Bow, 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 bow.
Triple summer. Simon says, move quick. If you don't get boom quick.
Split top, mata, dance on them, cha-cha.
Hit a nigga like pinata, spit his whole mata, make him do the cha-cha. Bad little bitch call me Papa.
Hit him up like piñata, sauce on his pasta, 40 make him do the cha-cha. She said she love me, nada, still have her singing opera.
Leave him red, lobster, pulling up like a shotter. Beat a nigga, boxer, bitches see me, they be flocking. Let it see, dripping, ooh, they gotta mop it.
Bullets, clean them, stop them. I be with kings, mobbing. With the bet at your mans, I run with the cans. It's off with your sidekick, robbing.
All black when we mobbing. Stump a nigga like a mosh pit. Beef with them till they unquit. Me and my nigga, we all shits. Lights out, all switch. Nigga see us, run quick. Bullets hit them, front flips. Leave them on ice like on this. Play with us, life unimportant. Leaving kids up in orphans.
No, I'm not a killer, but do not push me. I smoke a nigga like indigo. Pass it back to my man.
I got organs. Niggas funny like Lawrence. When we catch them, we on it. Make them fold so quick. Whole team had to forfeit. Leave them stitched with the surgeons. See me coming, try to bow. Oh, plastic burris.
Rockin' out in Suburbans. Bad bitch, urban. No, I'm not a killer, but do not push me. I smoke a nigga like indigo. Pass it back to my mans. He run down the middle. I spin off the side like a pick and roll. Yeah, I'm a youngin' but litty though. Let me get you in check like a physical.
Hey, so we're finally back. Just made it back from my sponsors and just taking the car to get washed. You know, it's not about what you do, it's about how you do it. So before I put the new custom emblems on, it's only right to wash the baby. So did that. So I'm just about to dry it off. You guys been watching? You guys been watching?
Keep side by side like 11. I could cook them like chef. With his hollow, leave him sleepy. Leave him 6 feet underneath me. When I slide, yeah, it get creepy.
When I slide, yeah, get creepy.
Simon says, move quick. If you don't get boom quick.
Split top, mata, dance on them. Bow, 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 bow.
Triple summer. Simon says, move quick. If you don't get boom quick.
Split top, mata, dance on them, cha-cha.
Hit a nigga like pinata, spit his whole mata, make him do the cha-cha. Bad little bitch call me Papa.
Hit him up like piñata, sauce on his pasta, 40 make him do the cha-cha. She said she love me, nada, still have her singing opera.
Leave him red, lobster, pulling up like a shotter. Beat a nigga, boxer, bitches see me, they be flocking. Let it see, dripping, ooh, they gotta mop it.
Bullets, clean them,
We're about to finally do the honor.
Christening the baby with his new jewelry.
Yeah, now we're doing the honor, guys. So simple, man. Y'all, you know, just put the film on.
No, I'm not a killer,
Shout
but
out
do
to
not
Molly
push me. I
B
smoke a nigga like indigo. Pass it back to my man.
for already having this installed on me. Saved it. There we go.
Christening the baby now. Baby's getting baptized with his emblem.
No, I'm not a killer, but do not push me. I smoke a nigga like indigo. Pass it back to my man. He run down the middle. I spin off the side like a pick and roll. Yeah, I'm a youngin' but litty though. Let me get you in check like a physical. Fuck with me in the gang, then I go insane. 2 sticks at the top, now you piccolo.
Hit him up like pop. Left him swerving, and Jay's round my way. Iceman call me.
Yeah, there we go.
Put the green on your head. Now you
Guys, let me know what you think about that.
like a pick and roll.
That red is on with the car though. It's like, you don't know. That shit was crazy, I'll tell you that right now. Man, nah, damn it.